In question 2 it is given, if the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then we have to prove it is a rectangle. Here in this question, whatever is given we have to mention it, because here we are doing theorem. In theorem we have to mention what is the given part, what we have to prove, and then we'll do the proof part. Okay, so we'll write down given. Given is a parallelogram ABCD. Given is a parallelogram where diagonals of a parallelogram are equal. Diagonals are given as equal and diagonals are AC and BD. ABCD is a parallelogram where AC is equal to BD is given. Okay, but we have to prove here it is a rectangle. We have to prove this parallelogram is a rectangle when AC is equal to BD. When the diagonals of a parallelogram are given equal, we have to prove it is a rectangle. We have to prove ABCD is a rectangle. We'll do the proof part. What is the difference between a parallelogram and a rectangle? In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, and in a rectangle also opposite sides are equal, but the difference is of angle. So if we'll prove one angle of a parallelogram is of 90 degree, then easily we can prove other also will also be 90 degree. So we are going to prove here one angle of a parallelogram is of 90 degree. Okay, as we know, if this angle will be of 90 degree, this will also be of 90 degree, because it is a parallelogram, co-interior angles are supplementary. Similarly, if this is of 90 degree, opposite will also be of 90 degree, this one 90 degree, this one will also be 90 degree. So our work is to prove one angle is of 90 degree. Okay, and how we can prove this one angle is of 90 degree? We'll take any two adjacent triangle. Okay, any two adjacent. Here we'll take in triangle ABD and triangle BCA. In these two triangles, I am taking this triangle and this triangle. In these two triangles, easily we can prove these two triangles are congruent. Okay, here in ABD and BCA, AB is equal to BA, common side AB and BA, both are common. And the second one, here we can write, it is given AC is equal to BD. AC and BD both are given equal, diagonals are given equal. So here we can write BD is equal to AC. Don't forget, here we are taking this triangle. In this triangle we'll take BD, will not write here AC. Okay, here we'll write BD and here we'll write AC. AC in this triangle, in second triangle. Now the third element, first element here we have taken AB is the common side. Second element we have taken diagonals are equal. Now tell me here which part we will take as the third element. Just think about it. What will be the third element? Here ABD and BCA. This ABD and this is BCA, and it was given it is a parallelogram. When it is a parallelogram, opposite side of a parallelogram are always equal. So third element we will take opposite side of a parallelogram. Opposite side will write here AD is equal to BC. Reason is here opposite side of a parallelogram. Here I haven't mentioned the reason. You have to write down the reason. BD is equal to AC is given condition. So we'll write here given. First side, second side, third side, all the three sides are equal, therefore triangles are congruent by SSS criteria. We'll write here, therefore ABD is congruent to BCA by SSS criteria. If both the triangles are congruent, we'll use the concept of CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. We can write these two angles are equal. By CPCT we'll write in triangle ABD, in this triangle, in triangle ABD, in this triangle we'll take this angle because this is our requirement, angle A, and in triangle BCA we'll take this angle. Both the angles are equal by CPCT. Now as we know, because it is a parallelogram, this is given ABCD is a parallelogram, and we know co-interior angles of a parallelogram are supplementary, and we know these two are co-interior angles. So we can write here angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Reason is co-interior angle. Co-interior angles are supplementary. And here we have proved angle A is equal to angle B. Instead of A I can write B, or instead of B I can write here. Okay, in place of A B, or in place of B I can write A. It's up to us only. Here I am taking, in place of B I am writing here A. Therefore twice of A is equal to 180 degree. A is equal to 90 degree. Now parallelogram was already given. When one angle of a parallelogram is of 90 degree, rest will also be of 90 degree. There is no need to prove rest angle. We all know if this angle is of 90 degree, with the help of co-interior angle condition, this will also be 90 degree. Or here we have proved angle A and angle B both are equal. When angle A is equal to angle B, therefore B is also of 90 degree. When A is 90 degree, B is of also 90 degree. A and C both are opposite angle. Opposite angle of a parallelogram are always equal. Therefore C is also of 90 degree and D is also of 90 degree, opposite angle. Therefore it is a rectangle. When the diagonals of a parallelogram are given equal, it is a rectangle. Question was very easy.